www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best amp stands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. An uncomplicated and convenient option, the Outdoor Effects ramp is ideal for the touring musician who has limited space. It's made of reinforced black nylon that folds completely flat in seconds and uses built-in hooks to lock into shape for a quick and easy setup. It weighs less than a pound and spiked grip panels prevent it from sliding. However, it's not the best choice for heavy gear. At number 7, a strong contender for equipment under £100. The ASE Professional is suitable for small shows and practice sessions. Its low-profile design maintains a stable center of gravity while still giving you the angle you need for optimal sound dispersion. It collapses and locks for easy travel and is a lightweight steel construction, but it suffers from some quality control issues. Coming in at number 6 on our list. For those who want to avoid steel, the Isolation Floor Wedge is a compact and resilient foam model that's designed to absorb vibrations to better refine your tone. Its molded grip surface can bear 150 pounds and will provide up to 20 degrees of angle adjustment. This one won't scratch equipment and is not as cumbersome as metal. However, it is pricier than other choices. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for amp stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, an ultra-portable option, the Hamilton KB60 can support both open and closed back cabinets. This durable, all-metal design has 4 preset length adjustments, and its tiny footprint makes it ideal for traveling musicians who want to keep their gear grounded. It features a tough black powder coating and stores easily inside most cabs, but it can't brace amps above 36 inches. Halfway up our list at number 4. If you're a player who's always touring, the OnStage RS7500 is a great performance option. Its light steel structure is easy to carry and collapse, and you'll appreciate the threaded upper end that enables you to set up your mic without having to lug extra tools around. It comes with a nylon travel bag, protective velveteen rubber holders, and a foam padded collar that prevents wear. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Crafted from durable steel and capable of supporting up to 176 pounds, the Gator gfw-gtr-amp will keep your gear off the ground and tilted backward, so you have easy access to your controls. It has a small footprint and collapses quickly with an uncomplicated thumb clasp. It's equipped with non-slip rubber leveling feet and is foldable for compact storage. It's a great pick for closed-back cabinets. At number 2, with 3 height settings and locking pins for additional security, the Musician's Gear Deluxe provides superior stability for a reasonable price. Its A-frame design is made from sleek black powder-coated metal that's grounded by 4 rubber feet so it won't slide around. This one's simple to assemble and has a 150-pound weight capacity. It can accommodate most amplifier sizes. And coming in at number 1 on our list. With a flexible height range of 17 to 24 inches, the OnStage RS7000 is a solid choice for both studio projects and professional performers. It's capable of breaking down into 3 pieces that lie flat and can be adjusted effortlessly with a simple friction locking knob. It features sturdy leg braces that add stability, 5 different position adjustments, and padded arms that minimize vibrations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for amp stands, or simply click beneath this video.